Hello, welcome to another video on the iDelegate task tracking system. In this video, we will see how to handle projects. You go into projects by clicking on the menu, choosing projects, and you'll be taken to projects. You will be shown a list of projects that you are a member of, because there may be a company where they have a few projects running, but if you're not a member of the project team, you will not see those projects. However, if a task has been given to you that is of a project, you will still see that task and you'll be able to work on that task. Right. When you click on a project, you have chosen that project and you will be taken to a familiar screen where you have your my tasks, delegated tasks, and completed tasks and cancelled tasks. Now these tasks are of projects. These are not the mainstream tasks that we saw earlier, but they behave the same way. If you wanted to edit anything to do with this project, you go into project home and you will be shown an overview of the project, when it starts, when it ends, so on and so forth. Plus, you will have a tab called team members. Now, team members are those who will see the project and who will manage the project. Now, currently, both Jack Smith and John Paul are team members. And John Paul currently is a member, but if you wanted to make him a manager, you can slide this toggle onto your right and make him a manager. What the advantage that one gets from by being a manager is that when you go into the manager view of the project, you get to see the entire project and all the project tasks that are contained within. Now let's see how you handle project tasks. You go into the project, and if you know how to assign tasks in the task menu, it's the same thing that you do here. But instead of you assigning tasks that are one-off, these would be contained within the project. Okay, and you have the completed tasks, the cancelled tasks, just like in the earlier case, but you have a manager view. When you click on the manager view, you will see the entire list of project tasks and various other things that pertain to a project. The project menu would also contain a place where you can have a kind of a repository of your commonly used files. You can create folders and you can have various files contained within that pertain to this project. Unfortunately, we do not have any files there. The mechanism with which you add files in is by clicking on the folder, in this case the folder common, and then you choose upload and you choose the file name. It's as easy as that. And if you wanted to create a new folder, you can do it by clicking on this button. Let's go back. Currently there is one file here. Let's see what that file is. It's a picture file, and this is the file that is contained therein. That is about all for the project menu.